Math Magic, Book 2, Textbook of Mathematics for Class 2. Chapter 8, Tens and Ones from Mathematics Textbook for Class 2, titled Math Magic, page 56. Help me. This page describes the conversation using picture and text of a girl with the shopkeeper. Let's start reading this page. Picture 1 shows the girl speaking and 10 rupee notes and coins of 1 rupee drawn in front of her.
Uncle, I want to buy pencils for 18 rupees. I have just 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins. How many notes and coins should I give you?
Picture 2 shows pencil seller speaking. 18 rupees means 1 note of 10 rupees and 8 1 rupee coins. Picture 3 shows a girl looking at 10 rupees note and 8 coins of 1 rupee neatly arranged in 2 rows of 4 coins each. Picture 4 shows the girl and shopkeeper conversing. The girl asks further,
How many notes and coins do I need to give 35 rupees?
Uncle replied, You give me 3 10 rupee notes and 5 coins of 1 rupee. In picture 5, girl is shown scratching her head and saying,
Okay, uncle, if...
And uncle saying, Hey, just tell me, how many pencils do you want? Girl replies,
None. Thank you, uncle, for helping me with my homework.
Picture 6 shows girl running away. Page 57. This page is divided into 2 parts. Each part has questions and related pictures. Let's begin reading the part 1.
Part 1. Question. Can you do this without uncle's help? Draw the 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins you will give for these things.
Picture 1 shows books with price tag of rupees 20 and empty space for answer.
Picture 2 shows a bottle with price tag of rupees 32 and empty space for the answer.
Picture 3 shows a packet of crayons with price tag of rupees 55 and empty space for answer.
Part 2. Question. How much money do the notes and coins make?
Picture 1 shows 3 notes of rupees 10 and answer 30 rupees written in the space provided. So, this part is solved as example.
Picture 2 shows 2 10 rupee notes, 3 1 rupee coins and empty space for the answer.
Picture 3 shows 10 1 rupee coins and empty space for answer.
Picture 4 shows 2 10 rupee notes, 7 1 rupee coins and empty space for the answer.
Picture 5 shows 4 10 rupee notes, 5 1 rupee coins and empty space for answer.
Footnote. Do similar exercise in the class with the help of Play Money.
Page number 58. Practice time. This page has 3 parts. Part 1 presents the conversation between 2 boys. Part 2 and 3 have questions for you to solve. Let's begin reading the part 1.
Boy 1.
I will say a number. Guess the breakup. Boy 2.
Okay, you say it. I will do it. Boy 1.
64. Boy 2.
60 plus 4. Boy 1.
25. Boy 2.
20 plus 5. Boy 1.
What about 12? How will you do that? Boy 2.
See, for 64 and 25, the number names tell us the breakup. But 12 is different. So are 11 and 19.
Part 2. Now you write these and also say them aloud.
Question 1. 27 is equal to dash plus 7.
Question 2. 31 is equal to 30 plus dash.
Question 3. 54 is equal to dash plus dash.
Question 4. Dash is equal to 90 plus 9.
Question 5. 63 is equal to dash plus dash.
Question 6. 36 is equal to dash plus dash.
Question 7. Dash is equal to 80 plus 2.
Part 3. You try writing the breakup for these.
Question 1. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2.
This question has been solved as an example.
Question 2. 19 is equal to dash plus 9.
Question 3. 11 is equal to dash plus dash.
Question 4. Dash is equal to 10 plus 7.
Footnote. Ask students if they also know counting in some other language. Discuss if the number names in that language also suggest the breakup.
Page number 59. Bangle throw. This page has a picture of a board with red and green dots. The red dots are bigger than the green dots. Let's begin reading this page to understand the purpose of this board.
Karma and Geser are playing a bangle game. Karma has thrown the bangle on the dots. Each big red dot is equal to 10 points. Each small green dot is equal to 1 point. The dots inside the bangle are 4 red dots, which is equal to 40 points, and 4 green dots, which is equal to 4 points. So, Karma has got 44 points. They throw the bangle twice each. Here are their points.
The points scored by both are given in table of 3 rows and 4 columns. Let's read the table row-wise. Row 1. Throw, Karma, Geser, winner.
Row 2. Throw first, Karma 44, Geser 13, winner Karma.
Row 3. Throw, second, Karma 16, Geser 32, winner Geser.
Page number 60. This page has larger picture of the same board on which Geser and Karma were playing, with instruction and blank table to keep scores. Let's begin reading this page.
You can play this game with your friend using the board. Write your points for each throw. Table with 4 columns and 7 rows is given.
The first column is titled Throw. The second column is titled My Points. The third column is titled My Friend's Points. And the fourth column is titled Winner. The first column has the entries first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Columns 2, 3, and 4 are all blank.
Footnote. Encourage children to mentally compute the score.
Page number 61. The Flute Man and the Rats. On this page there are 5 pictures related to the story of the Flute Man and the Rats. Let's begin reading the story.
Picture 1 shows a city with rats everywhere. Rats are in utensils in the kitchen, plates on the table, streets, roofs, tables, almirahs, everywhere. Lots of rats. A man and a woman are throwing the rats down from their roofs on the streets, where a man is running and saving himself from rats. A girl is sitting on the table trying to save herself from rats. Another girl is kneeling near the table with a broom in her hands, trying to swipe away the rats. A boy is trying to catch rats under the table. A worried man is standing near the table with a plate in his hand and rat sitting on the plate, and a little child standing at the entrance behind him, surrounded by rats.
Picture 2 shows people standing in front of the king and listening to the king wearing crown. A huge basket is kept near the king. The king is saying, "I want someone to catch the rats in a basket. For each rat, you get 1 gold coin."
Picture 3 shows a young man with flute in his hands, standing in front of the king, seated on his throne in his court. The flute man is saying,
"I will do it."
The king questions,
"What? With a flute?"
Picture 4 shows the flute man playing his flute and walking towards the basket. All the rats in the city following him and entering the basket one by one.
Picture 5 shows the flute man talking to the king.
Flute man says,
"My reward, sir? I have collected 80 rats."
King responds,
"But how did you count so many rats?"
Page number 62. The conversation between flute man and the king continues on this page. Flute man replies to king's question.
"Simple. I used these cards."
He shows blue triangle-shaped cards with 1 written on them and yellow square-shaped cards marked as 10. And he says further,
"I counted 1 rat and kept 1 blue card in my pocket for 1 rat. 2 blue cards for 2 rats."
The picture shows 6 blue cards, and the question you need to answer is, for how many rats? The flute man continues,
"When I had 10 cards, I changed it with this yellow card in my pocket."
The picture shows 2 rings made of 5 triangle-shaped blue cards with arrow pointing at 10. The flute man continues,
Then came 7 more rats. I then had in my pocket 7 blue cards and 1 yellow card for 17 rats.
The picture shows a ring of 5 blue cards with yellow card at the center and 2 blue cards placed near the ring. After this, there is a question for you.
Question. Which cards will he have in his pocket if he has counted up to? Part A. 23.
2 yellow 10-point cards and 3 blue cards drawn as answer. This part is solved as an example.
Part B. 47.
Part C. 55.
Part D. 63.
Part E. 72.
Part F. 80.
Footnote. Encourage children to make token cards and use them in different exercises.
Page number 63. The story continues.
The king gave him gold coins.
There is a picture where the flute man is counting the gold coins. He made 7 groups of 10 coins each and has 8 loose coins. He is saying, "These are not 80 coins."
Can you guess what happened next?
The picture shows the flute man playing flute, and this time the rats are coming out of the basket. The worried and hassled king is sitting on the floor near the basket with rats all over him. Few are even on king's head, and the flute man is saying, "Here, enjoy your rats."
Now act out the story in the class.
Page number 64. Clean school day. The picture shows a girl sitting under the tree and saying,
We have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students.
Other student says excitedly,
Our team will clean the best. Here we go. Rub and scrub.
Some students are shown standing in a circle and holding each other's hands. There is a table in the center of the circle with 5 rows and 2 columns. First column gives number of classes and second column presents the number of students. There is a text written on top of the table. The number of students in all the classes are
Class 1, 53.
Class 2, 42.
Class 3, 35.
Class 4, 54.
Class 5, 26. Page number 65. Clean School Day continues. Question 1. How many teams will there be in each class? How many students will be left? Right here. A table with 3 columns and 6 rows is provided for the answer.
Column 1 of the table has Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, Class 4 and Class 5 in all the different rows. Column 2 has the heading How many teams? Column 3 has the heading Students left. Column 2 and column 3 are blank for you to fill the answers.
Question 2. How many students are left in all?
Question 3. How many more teams can be made with all these students left?
Practice time. Teams of 10 in your school.
Task 1. Find out the number of children in each class of your school.
Task 2. Make teams of 10 for each class.
Task 3. How many children are left in each class?